Hi my angels, welcome back to my obsession. This is Anamika here, and today I'm here with the day 6th video of a number series, and today's topic is how to look good in your pictures and even on Instagram. So this is all my tips and tricks which I'm going to share with you guys, and I hope you guys will surely enjoy. If you guys are not following me on Instagram, please go visit my Instagram and all my social media handles. Everything is in the description box, so do check out, and even don't forget to subscribe to my channel and even hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever I'm coming up with a new video. And anyways, I'm doing the series till 15th, so you'll get to see new videos every day. So don't forget to subscribe, and without wasting much time, let's get into this video. So the first tip is the lighting. Lighting is very important because when you're taking a picture, it can make your picture look good, and even if you are going in a dark place and clicking a picture, it's gonna definitely break your picture and it's gonna look really weird and bad. So just go in front of your window, balcony, wherever you can go, and just make sure that the light source is on your face, and that way you'll be able to take a good picture. Make sure that whenever you're taking a selfie or any pictures, you're facing towards light. So my next tip is for golden hours. Now if you guys haven't heard about what is golden hours, let me just break this down for you guys. So the golden hours is that time of the day when mostly wedding and candid photographers go for their shoots, because it's the perfect amount of light and even it gives your pictures a very nice effect. So you don't really need to edit if you are not into editing so much. But yeah, if you really want to make your picture stand out, you can surely edit. But what is golden hours is, it's the time before and after sunset and sunrise. It's the exact 1 hour from the sunset and sunrise. So that's called golden hour, and it makes your pictures look fabulous. So the next tip is the inspiration. Now what I mean by inspiration, you should always have some inspiration for what you're going for, what kind of picture you're planning to shoot. So I normally do what is I go through magazines, I check out Instagram, I check out good photographers, and even I go through blogs and even Pinterest. You get amazing ideas from there, and yeah, you can just go have your inspiration, use as your a mood changer and a motivation. You can just go through pictures, and obviously you can't look the same way the model or the blogger, whoever is looking, but you can try and do something similar, but don't copy them, because when you're trying to copy someone, it's not going to be exactly the same thing. So you don't feel the same way of the shoot anymore. So just make sure that you're checking out some inspiration that you want this kind of picture. And yeah, that's it. You can just do this, have some inspiration. You can even save pictures, take screenshots, and even there is a feature on Instagram, you can even bookmark and save it. So whenever you're going for a shoot and if you're planning something, you can just go through it and click your pictures. So that's what I normally do, and that's what I think it really inspires me. Now you got to know about your poses. So what is the go-to pose about yourself? You should always go for that, and this is my next tip, of course. So what I do, I click pictures in front of mirror and I see if my pose is looking good. Naturally, what I do when I'm taking a makeup picture or something, I just keep my hand this way or this or this. I don't know, I think that makes me look good, because I think my left profile looks really good in pictures, and I think that is the most important thing that you should know about yourself. What kind of pose suits you and what kind of angle suits you better, and how you should actually pose. So this is what I normally do. I just keep my hand this way. You'll see tons of pictures on my Instagram doing this pose, because I think this really makes my face looks really nice, and even it hides my double chin if I have. Right now I'm just going a little bit fat, so yes, I have got a little double chin right now. So I even do this right here, and even this improves the picture. And if I'm taking a full picture, I try to tilt my body a little bit and stand in a very different pose or something, I keep checking out when someone is clicking my pictures. Mostly it's Jeet who is clicking my pictures, and I always ask him, how's this picture, how's my expression looking, and he shows me, but sometimes he gets really annoyed. So I normally do that, but if nobody is there shooting for me, I always check out my viewfinder if I'm perfect in my frame or not and what I'm doing. And even I ask help from my mom. I just set the angle and I ask her that you have to just click it. I'm just posing. I keep on posing so that I can get that perfect pose, and it really helps me that way. And I think even you should go and check out what kind of angle suits you better. You can just pose and see in the mirror if it suits you or not. Just smile, just be crazy and enjoy the whole process. So it's gonna make your pictures look really stand out. So my last tip is background. Now it's very important to choose your background because you should always know what kind of shoot you're going for. It depends on the situation in what kind of mood you want to shoot, if you want to go for a cluttered background or a very simple one. But I always feel the simple one is the best one because you are always focused in that picture and that picture stand out really well for you. But if you are planning a shoot when you can go for a cluttered background and you know that it's going to look really amazing, you can surely go, but always choose your background and just have a look on that place. Just go around and see if you like the place and what kind of shoot you are looking for. So that's it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and even follow me in all my social media handles. Everything is in the description box, so do check out. And that's it for today's video. We'll see you in my next one. Till then, love you all. Mwah. Bye.